continuing at the lineup. Row number 5. Inside, outside the 84, Dakota Paris. Along outside that 75 machine of Justin Hawkins. In row number 6, the 87 car of Greg Witt. Outside Greg Witt, the 61 machine of James Amendrud. Right behind them, the 82 X of Nate Swain. Outside of him, the 511 of Dave Noli. Check that.
Great flag, and we're racing.
And your World Class Motor Sixers are underway.
Tyler Kim is all over the place in the 25 as the 97 just went to the inside of him. Here comes Ron Space. Kim in the middle. It's a sandwich for the lead. Oh my God, we might go 5 wide in the 3.
Anderson at 97 holding on, but watch out for Tyler Kim in the middle. The pickle.
That was a crazy first lap, Eric. Here they go. Tyler Kim hanging out there in second. Here comes Stephen Hillary as the 97 of Blake Andrus is still leading this race.
Trouble with the 124 of Jalen Swanborg. Going to find his way off the track as the Sixers come roaring by, but it's the 25 of Tyler Kim that's out front.
32 and the 75 of Justin Hawkins and the 51, the Beer Man. Involved in that little incident. Beer Man's got to throw it in reverse. He's got it, maybe, maybe. Yellow flag, hang out, Tyler Kim, look out. Woo! Beer Man, a little bit of front end damage there, Eric. Look at that.
Yeah, Sean Warman, all kinds of trouble with that 51 machine.
I think if Beer Man just rips that little bit of sheet metal off the car there, he'll be just fine. Actually, that's not sheet metal. That's actually part of the car.
Yeah, it's part of the bumper. He might want to look to rub the wall and see if he can rub the rest of it off.
Pontiac Grand Prix, and I don't know what Tyler Kim is driving. I couldn't tell you right now from here. Lights on the pace car are off. The raw steel collision restart zone in effect. And green flag, and we're racing.
Andrus out front. Watch out for that 08 David Cooter Sr.
And Tyler Kim almost went sideways and then almost got a sandwich by Gary Caven. There's a car on the outside of Tyler Kim. It is the 19. Oh, he goes sideways. Look out behind him. Who's got good brakes? Woo!
Oh, the 30C of Gavin. Stuck here in the middle. Gary, see if he can get himself going.
19 is, for dear life, trying to squeeze this car, and it died right there. Stephen Hillary
out front
is leading. Yeah. Wait a minute, 19 figured it out. We're racing.
84, Dakota Paris now in second. The 82 of Nate Swain in third. Looks like the 87 car of Greg Witt running off your top 4.
What happened to our 97 car? He was leading around, and all of a sudden,
had some
Blake
problems.
Just disappeared.
As he goes by the Gerber Collision and Glass, sponsored by Blake Andrus.
He's like the slow car in Chicago traffic. Everybody's just piling up behind him. Tyler Kim was involved with that slowdown as well, it looks like, because he's back there behind him still.
Yeah, making it easy for Stephen Hillary. He's got a nice lead. Ahead of the 84 machine at Dakota Paris. And then 82 of Nate Swain.
Back there in that number 8 car, Dave Cooter Sr. driving his son's car, usually the 01. And I think his son's actually a better driver than him because his son usually does really good at these from what I can see here.
Yeah, he's won the last 2 races in that 01 machine.
We'll have to ask him, how come he let his dad drive tonight?
Yeah, what happened there, right?
As the 75 of Justin Hawkins, birthday boy yesterday, just about went sideways. Oh no, Tyler Kim spun out. Will he get going again? He's safe.
For now, but they're coming around. Stephen Hillary in that 08.
And it died. Yellow flag.
As Blake Andrus in the 97 having some problems in turn 1 and 2, and everyone's got to go around him as well.
Yeah, Blake Andrus, ever since that restart, Eric, he was telling everybody when to go. He was having his moment of living that field, pulling it around, and then all of a sudden he's in the back. Now he's spun out.
that might have meant I only have 1 lap left in my car. That's a possibility as well.
You know what? How many of you got the 84? How many of you don't care? Shame on you guys. Lights on the pace car's out. Here we go, raw steel collision restart zone. We're green flag racing. And it's Stephen Hillary, Nate Swain going through the middle.
3 wide. How did the silver machine get through there?
It's a Pontiac.
That's out.
It's a Pontiac versus Pontiac. Grand Prix of the 90s versus Grand Prix of the... Whoa, spin out. Dave Cooter Sr. driving his kid's car. Might not be a great car after tonight.
45 of Sean Hostrom. He was third in the points, but he's been struggling this entire race.
As James Amundrud just got pushed way up in the wall by the 87 of, I think it's Greg Witt.
And that 05 of Jared Neal, your points leader, starting to work his way into that top 5. He's just outside in the 6th spot.
So Amundrud and Witt side by side for spot 5. Here comes Neal. Here comes Hawkins and Beerman.
A lot of 8s out front. Hillary out front in the 08, the 82 of Nate Swain, the 84 of Dakota Paris.
Eric, maybe the 8s are faster in the 6er division. Maybe the 8 makes them go faster.
Yeah, with the 87 up there, Greg Witt in that 4th spot. So yeah, that's a good possibility. Except for the 61 deciding to James Amendrud.
We got white flag out.
Yep.
White flag out for Stephen Hillary, followed by Nate Swain. Stephen gaining some ground coming out of turn 2. Here comes Swain. No. Dakota Paris will take 3rd, so it's Hillary, Swain, Dakota Paris. The 19 car will finish 4th, 19 of Kevin Byer. And there goes Justin Hawkins. Birthday boy decides to spin it out on the last lap. Wow.
But any way you look at it, the bowler out of McChesney Park, Thomas Machining, he's got 2 heat wins in his back pocket, and it's his first feature win.
What a race, ladies and gentlemen. That's the original Sixers. Definitely a happy camper of Stephen Hillary as he's parking that car in Victory Lane. Those cars, those original Sixers, ladies and gentlemen, they use the original seats that are in the car to race those cars. They have the original radios in the car. Some of them even work. The 33 car, he had his cranked up pretty loud about a week ago. Here he is, it's Stephen Hillary. Wow. And we've got a water truck coming out on the track. I wonder why. Well, we have both.